This is RV Resort Living with Pete Sutton. Today we're on lot 36 at Outdoor Resort Indio because I want to give you a couple more RV lot tips. I've talked about this before, but it's always a good one to bring back up, and that is privacy lots. What does privacy mean to you? Is it the kind of thing where you want to be able to retreat to your RV lot and just be in your own personal space? Or you want to be out in the resort with your friends, but when you're done, you want to pull back to your own personal space? We're going to go look right back here and come take a look at how private this is. So come on with me. First thing to see is up in the front of the lot, there is space to be able to entertain with friends, to be able to relax. This allows you to have, this is more of like the morning sun area. Someplace where you can have your coffee and relax. But at the back of the lot, now we're talking a large kitchen that has quite a few of the appliances you're going to want for being able to entertain friends or just relax for yourself. And then over here, they've got their own personal space with a gazebo. Now another tip, think about shade. You know, the time of the day when the sun's gonna hit. This lot has very mature hedges all the way around it. It has the gazebo, so there's a lot of comfortable shade in here. So if you're the type of person that wants that cool, natural shade, this is the kind of thing you should be looking for. But here's another tip. Do you love the pool? Do you love the hot tub? Do you like being near the laundry facilities? This lot has a small exit out the back and is only 8 steps to the pool. So come on over here and kind of take a look for our audience just and see what you got. So again, that's right just 8 steps from the back of the lot. So that's something to think about when you're trying to pick out which one you like. Not only that, but since you're near the pool house, if you do like to have friends over, maybe families coming for the day, whenever there's a pool house, there's usually some extra parking. Also, there's a bathroom here and showers, so if you got people coming over, they don't have to use your RV for a bathroom, you can come over here. One additional bonus, right behind me down this alleyway is one of the only private entrances to the golf course. So only these lots right here have this. So one extra little bonus. Well, that's it today for RV Resort Living with Pete Sutton. Look forward to seeing you again next time. Thanks for coming.